In the last few weeks, I was able to make more than $400 online from playing math games like this. For today's video, I will tell you how you can make money using this strategy. You can take home hundreds of dollars every month by using this strategy. You just need a smartphone and a stable internet connection to make this happen. Simply go to Google Play and download the application Math Plus Activator. Then you just need to open the app and read its instructions. You simply need to solve math puzzles. This is hitting two birds with one stone, as you will not only earn money from this site but you will also improve your IQ. Make an account in their app using your Google email address. You can use my referral code to get a sign-up bonus. Now, the said application will let you earn money from answering math questions. This application has a 4.7-star rating in the Google Store. Hence, you can be assured that this is a legitimate application that you can use to earn money online. But before we start digging deeper into this, welcome to Online Money Machine, where you can find the most amazing online money-making ideas, tricks, and tips. Subscribe, like, and turn the notifications on so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get back to the video. This is what my dashboard looks like. Just to make it clear, this application will not make you rich, but it will definitely give you an additional source of income. Now, your dashboard will show you all the things that you need to know. It will tell you your current balance, as well as it will show you notifications that the app provides. Try to scroll down below to see your current tickets. Look at this side to know the total number of gold points that you have. Then, you will see the leaderboard under that. Of course, I will explain it to you later. Every 24 hours, the gold will be converted into money. Thus, we need to make as much gold as we can every 24 hours. Just an example, one ticket will give you a minimum of 10 gold points. Now you need to get more tickets so that you can participate in many opportunities where you can make gold. Now, one of the amazing features of this application is that there are numerous ways to earn tickets. You can press and watch video ads to earn 3 tickets. You simply need to watch a few seconds of the advertisement and close it after. You can continue doing this to earn more tickets. At this point, I will tell you how you can make money with this application. Right now, this account has this amount of tickets. The goal is to increase the number of tickets. Just press this button to watch a short video clip. For every video that I will watch, the app will reward me with 3 tickets. Again, I will use these tickets to earn gold points. With the tickets that I have, I can start solving math puzzles to make some cash. Press this button right here and the puzzle that you need to solve will be shown. The screen will show you a math puzzle that you need to solve by pressing the correct option. For example, the answer to this puzzle is this option. After clicking it, press the Submit button. As you can see, you will gain 10 gold points. Press the Collect and Play Again button to see the next math puzzle that you need to solve. Again, our goal is to make as many gold points as possible. To do that, you need to continuously answer these simple math puzzles. Another example is this question. Simply choose the correct option and press the Submit button afterwards. Then you need to press the Collect and Play Again button. You do not need to feel pressured while answering. I have been playing for a while now, so the number of gold points that I have received as of today is already 600 points. In a few moments, I will show you other ways where you can make more gold points. For now, I will tell you how you can convert these points into cash. Before that, I want to ask you a question. Do you want to live a rich and fulfilling life? Comment down your answers as well as your country of origin so that I can make more videos that are accessible to your country. Lastly, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's start with the next step. Then, you can view your new balance using your dashboard. Try to scroll down on your application to see their special offers. These things will allow you to increase the number of points that you have. You can make as much as 100,000 points from these offers. As an example, you can make up to 27,000 points by simply answering this lab survey. Then, you can get 30,000 points from doing this CPX research. Meanwhile, you can make 17,000 from completing these Kiwi offers and another 16,000 points from the Admantum offers. You can earn up to 30,000 points for the Offer Toro offers, and 20,000 points will be awarded to you when you do Mon offers. The offers do not end, as you can get another 22,000 points from Monleaks surveys and 25,000 points from Mon surveys. Bullfish surveys can give you up to 18,000 points. For this video, let's proceed with the CPX research. Just click it and wait for a bit until it can give you the surveys that are perfectly fit for you. As you can see, there are many survey options that you can choose from. Let us pick this one as an example. You just need to complete it to make over 20,000 gold points. Another survey will give you as much as 40,000 points. Then you can make more than 20,000 points from this another survey. The surveys have varying amounts that you can earn, so just try these special offers to make as many gold points as possible. Now let me tell you another way to make money using this application. This is through their leaderboard. When you join their leaderboard, you will have a chance to earn a minimum of $4 every day. There is a timer below that shows you the remaining time for this day. As you can see, there are only 7 hours left before the timer resets. Now, you just need to make it into the top 9 of the leaderboard to earn up to $4. If you have the most amount of gold after every 24 hours, then you can win $4 of real cash. Another way to make money using this application is through their referral system. You can invite anyone to use their application and you will get compensated for doing it. Simply press the Invite Friends button to get your own unique code. You can share your code to your family, friends, and even strangers. You can make $0.02 for every person that you can invite through your code. Aside from that, the person that you invite will easily get $0.01 as their sign-up bonus. At this point, I will tell you how you can withdraw your money. Just press your wallet on their application. You will see the total balance that you have. This is my balance account, so I will press this button to add my desired payment option. Then you will be asked for your country of origin on this part. If you cannot find your country here, simply press this button here. Then select the PayPal payment method. They will ask you about your PayPal email address and your PayPal account name. Afterwards, simply press this button to save your account details. This is a very simple way to earn money, right? To summarize, you simply need to answer and to solve some math puzzles. Once you're done, the application will automatically convert your gold points into cash every 24 hours. You can easily cash out your money through their very accessible payment methods. So go ahead and start earning money through this application. This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.